Hi buddy, how you doing? I am doing alright. Today two big things coming on. The one is this textbook. I applied for the summer class, and this textbook for the summer class, photography, the history of the photography. And actually this one is a used one, meaning somebody else used before, but seems like the other person already write every answer on the textbook. They highlight it. I don't know, seems really great. The second thing going on is on the online and the financial event going on. I'm so excited. My friend recommended me to go to this event, and she invites me for this one. And this is a financial event. They're gonna tell you what's the financial is. Are you prepared for the retirement, life insurance, or how do you manage your payment, car insurance, everything. So I'm so excited to be there, even if I'm a student under 20 years old, because thinking about the money and how the money works is really important. So let's dive in. So seems like this financial event has 2 days, Friday and Saturday. And on the Friday, here's the agenda. The first one is the truth about the wealth. The second, control your finances. The third one is protect your money. And the building forward, this is the last one. So this one is composed by 4 elements. People individually, if you are interested, those events, they attend the meeting. And as far as I saw it, there's around 1,000 people attend each every single event, and the people chatting on the chat, individual chat, and the people ask some question on the question board, and there's some poll how do you think about it, yes or no. So as far as I saw, this event is pretty successful, and the thing is, you just have to pay $5 for it. It's really reasonable, isn't it? And the one thing I really like this event is on the website, this one is in WOBA, I never heard of it, but in the website WSB G21, there's a community chat, and in the community chat, there's so many questions and so many Q&A here. And also in this event, people can connect network really easily, I think, because here's attendance. And one of my friends messaged me and, hey, how's going? And attending this event can make you have really human connection. You can get to know people more, and if you have someone interested in it, you can directly message them. So I think that's one of the factors that I like about this event. So of course, as you know, this financial event is for somebody who is working at this moment or who already retired work. So me, a student, who is currently studying, I don't think anybody is here right now. So me trying to answer some Q&A questions. How fast can you retire? I have no idea. I don't even have a job right now. What business are you in? I am interested in cyber security, computer science, software engineer, but at this moment, like I told you, I don't have a job right now. What does the G stand for in G21? That's what I was exactly thinking about it. Are you a giver or taker? That's interesting, but I think I'm the giver, meaning I like to do something for the others, I care for the others a lot rather than caring individual. So I think I'm the giver. Big goal to die for or small goal to kill your dream? Personally, I think I'm the one who small goal to kill your dream. I try to do the minimum stuff, and at the end of my goal, then I wanna do the bigger things. But what I want to do is big goal to die for, because I never done a really huge project in my life. I think I did some presentation when I was in the middle school, but I think that's the one. So I would like to say big goal to die for. Build 2 people or recruit 10. It is depending on what kind of people I would recruit. But personally, I want to build 2 people. We definitely need a team, teamwork or some friendship, companionship in the workplace. So I want to build 2 really people and teach them how to do or what to do in the workplace. That's kind of cool. Do you believe first impression is lasting? I would say no, because I met many people around here, like in California, well, around my college, and first impression, like, oh my gosh, who you are, why you're interested in it, what's your major. But as I get to know them, I get to see some cool dimensions of them. Like, oh my gosh, you can think, like, you have a critical thinking, you can go like furthermore, and your limit is beyond my limit. That is so cool. So I don't think the first impression is lasting. Do you share your personal story? Yes, I do. I talk about my exchange student journey, like when I went to Nebraska on the YouTube, and even though it doesn't have really views, it has value to talk about it and share my story, like what had happened, and I want to inspire some other like Japanese or other foreigners want to go study abroad. So it has really great value in it. So I personally do want to talk about my personal story. Are you kind? This is really generous question, but yeah, maybe I am kind. I think being kind or not is somebody else decide, so I have no idea. So basically that's all for it. I mean, there's the 407 questions Q&A section, but I'm not gonna read and I'm not gonna answer all of the questions. These are still interesting, and even though that I'm the student under 20 years old, I am interested in some questions, and these questions are really valuable to critical thinking or think futures, like things to do. So yeah, it is really valuable. So for attending this event or any type of live streaming event or any type of the class, I highly recommend you to take a note, like actual notes, because yeah, I was taking some notes, and according to some scientific research, taking some notes is more beneficial rather than typing on the notes. So anyway, I highly recommend you to do it. Title, workshop number 1, the truth about the whales, and I started writing the memo, like learn how to pay myself or get to know financial PIN number, and which is like what age financial independent, or you gotta know about the taxes. Government is always there, and there's a 3 type of the taxes: tax now, tax later, tax advantage, which is really easier to understand when I write it down, and you can rephrase into your word rather than on the word they said. And also it's easier to write a graph and a memo on the paper rather than the computer or laptop. So I highly recommend you to take a memo on the session. I believe everybody should educate themselves, and education is really important. It makes your lives easier and more efficient. So I put the links in my description of their Instagram account, World System with the official, and you guys gotta check it out. And I really appreciate this chance to get to know financial, and I wanna see more other things on the financial things. So thanks for coming tonight or today, and I wanna see you next time too. Peace.